We're really excited to bring you this video on how Tactiq has improved tremendously in a few different categories, including note-taking for project management and HR. So without further ado, let's dive deep into the tutorial. As we delve into the world of Tactiq's Team Sync, let's explore how this tool can revolutionize your team's meeting experiences. Team Sync's seamless integration into your workflow transforms meeting notes into a structured, easily navigatable format. Imagine having all your meetings notes organized and at your fingertips without lifting a pen or typing a word. That's the magic of Team Sync. So firstly, once you're done with your meeting, you would open the Tactiq application and navigate to the transcript of your meeting. Then you would simply select the Team Sync project updates from the quick prompts and watch Tactiq's magic at work. So right here, you can click on Team Sync project updates. Then from here, what'll happen is that with Team Sync, every important discussion point, deadline, and action item is captured and organized. This feature not only saves time, but also ensures that your team stays on the same page. As you can see right here, there are project updates, upcoming events and deadlines, an open discussion section, action items and next steps, and notes and key takeaways. These are all very useful for future reference. Moving on, let's explore how Tactiq's AI tools can specifically aid HR professionals during interviews. Tactiq's AI for HR. Envision an interview where you focus solely on the candidate, while Tactiq takes care of documenting every essential detail. Firstly, you would conduct your HR interview as you usually do. And then following that, what you would do is you would open Tactiq and go to the transcripts page. Following that, click on a call within there, specifically the one of the transcript that you just had, then go to the quick prompts. So within here, you can actually click on one of two different prompts. They're either gonna be the HR interview recap, which will go over what happened within the interview. It'll give you a structured recap. So right here, as you'll see, we get some insight into how the interview went, some highlights about Rachel here, that they had a strong background in WordPress. And even more than that, not only just a basic recap of the meeting, we can also check out intro call candidate details. This is going to be huge for HR individuals who want to go back and check some of the specific details that were highlighted within the call. So if we go here, you'll see that it has the background, an engagement approach section, availability, the proposal, some other insights and next steps as well. This is really cool because we often don't get to write all these down during the meeting, and it's hard to always remember exactly what we need here to go back and check. And rather than going through the entire transcript, which is great with Tactiq, we can just get some quick recaps with these prompts here. Tactiq's AI tool for interviews is so invaluable here, and it makes recruitment processes much more efficient and effective. Now next, we can turn our attention to how Tactiq handles existing meeting transcripts. Uploading pre-existing transcripts into Tactiq allows you to leverage AI for summarization, action, item identification, and more. You can think of Tactiq as your personal assistant, turning lengthy transcripts into concise, actionable insights. Firstly, you would navigate to Tactiq's main page and click on the upload button. This is going to be found on the top right of the page. As you can see over on the top right here, all I have to do is click on upload transcript or recording. Then from there, what we would do is we would choose a file. So then you'd select the file, press open on the bottom right here. And by pressing open, essentially what you're going to do is you're going to have this be uploaded with one more click. And you can change the name if you'd like, but here in a moment, it's going to be uploaded. And then inside of said uploaded transcript, as you can see it uploaded successfully, we can select that uploaded transcript and interact with it using quick prompts such as Team Sync, project updates, or generate a short summary. And by using the Ask a Question feature, we also can get some specific questions answered. AI will process your file and present you with a structured, summarized version, or answer those specific questions that you asked. So for example, with this short summary, you'll see that in a moment, it talks about how it covered the upcoming newsletter and the status of video editing progress. This upload feature is not just about saving time, it's about enhancing the value of existing documents, turning them into a resource for more informed decision-making and efficient follow-ups. As you can see, with all these other prompts, I'm getting so many great insights without having to type out anything specific. But if I wanted to, with the Ask a Question feature, I absolutely can as well. All that you need to do for that is go down to the Ask a Question feature itself and write out anything. Like here, I'm gonna write out what were the action items discussed. And when we have a quick prompt, this is just merely to show exactly what we can do here, as this is going to be about specific action items for each individual in the call. Then once I press ask, it will give me more detailed insight into this. And in a moment, it'll separate it based on person down below. As you can see, there's a bunch of different people here between me and Sasha. And from there, we've done a lot of great things with this transcript. So as we wrap up here, it's clear that Tactiq's innovative features like Team Sync for project updates in HR and the text transcript upload are not just tools, but solutions to age-old problems of meeting management. They offer streamlined processes, organized documentation, and ensure that no critical information slips through the cracks. If this guide has inspired you to take your meetings to the next level, we encourage you to try Tactiq. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials like this video if you found it helpful, and comment below with your experiences or questions about Tactiq. Don't just meet smarter with Tactiq. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.